In this highlights video, we'll learn how to import a CSV file into MongoDB using Studio 3T. Studio 3T also supports other import sources, such as JSON files, BSON files from MongoDB, SQL files, and from other import options. To begin, you'll need to have Studio 3T already open and connected to a MongoDB instance, like a MongoDB Atlas cluster. We'll first click on the Import button, located in the global toolbar. This launches the import window. Next, click the CSV option and then click the Configure button at the bottom right. This opens the CSV import tab in the main window. It has two subtabs, one being the source options and the other the target options. With the source options already opened, there are two selections from the import source. They are making an import from the clipboard or from a CSV file. First, let's try the clipboard method for importing. In this instance, open an application that lets you copy CSV data. For example, we're using Microsoft Excel. Once opened, select your target cells, right-click, and choose Copy from the drop-down menu. Or you can use the standard key commands, Control-C for Windows or Command-C for Mac. Now let's go back to Studio 3T and select Clipboard. As you can see, Studio 3T will automatically show a preview of the detected copied data. Depending on the source of the CSV file, you can select or deselect the checkbox for File contains header with field names, as header fields are optional. With headers, this generates field names from the first row of the file. But before we take the next steps, the other option to import this data is from the entire CSV file itself. Just choose File, then click the Select File folder to the right of the text box. This opens a window to navigate your computer's hard drive to choose the CSV file you wish to import. Once found, select, then click Open. Studio 3T will show you a preview of your first 100 documents. Now, let's go to the Targets option tab. Here, we need to set up our target for importing under Target Collection. Go back to the connection tree and choose a collection you wish to make your target, or just create a new target collection for this import. To do so, with the database selected, right-click and choose Add Collection. The Add New Collection prompt will open. Give the collection a name, and then click the Create button. A new collection tab will open in the main window. Next, go back and reselect the CSV Import tab. Then go back to the collection you created, or the one you wish to make your target for importing the data, and drag and drop that onto the link under Target Collection. And as we see, the target destination has been established. Alternatively, you could have pre-established your target when first starting this CSV import process by first right-clicking the target collection in the connection tree and selecting Import Data. Or just select the target collection and then click the Import icon in the global toolbar. By either method, the import window opens. You'll go through the same process of importing the clipboard data or CSV file, as previously shown. But in this instance, the target would have already been set. For our next step, we can additionally configure the data to be imported in the CSV Options pane. And in the Import options, fields can be included or excluded by checking and unchecking them. In each case of tailoring your import, the JSON files will update in the JSON preview window below. Next, let's execute this import by clicking the Run button. A Confirm Import prompt will open. Click OK. You can follow the progress of the import in the Operations panel in the lower left-hand corner. Once complete, go to the connection tree and review your data by double-clicking that collection. Your CSV data has been successfully imported. Please see our other highlights videos on getting more from MongoDB with the power of Studio 3T. Thanks for watching, and happy importing!